shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naturally Jamiah here, and I'm coming to you guys with another styling video. As y'all can tell, it's a lock petal mohawk. So yeah, as you can see, I just got done retwisting my hair. It looks a bit off, but let's not pay attention to that. Okay, you guys, so first off, you're going to put your hair in a ponytail. To put my hair in a ponytail, I'm using like the small black rubber bands. In this video, as you can see, I wrapped it around like once, but off camera I went ahead and wrapped it around twice to secure it. Okay, you guys, so what I'm doing is creating my petal, and how I create my petal is I will take my hair, I will fold it, and then I will make the end of my hair, that side, like the longest, where I would then rubber band it so that it can hold. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do. He doesn't see us. He doesn't see y'all, this is, I don't know, but trust the process. He say that I'm good enough, tell him I think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's facts. And it been what it been. Holding his phone like he'll send me. Okay, y'all, so I know y'all was like wondering what I'm gonna do to the front of my hair. So I'm going to be adding perm rods to make my hair, or like my bangs, curly. I don't know, I think it will make the look even cuter, so that's what we're doing. He doesn't see us. He doesn't see I'm good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Now looking at the video and as I'm doing the voiceover, this is actually a look. Like the curly bangs, lock, petal, ponytail, and the back out. That may be my next go-to when I take this out. I don't know. Send me a pin. Look at my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do. He doesn't see us. He doesn't see us. He say that I'm good enough, tell him I think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me cause he know that it's facts. And it been what it been. Holding his phone like he'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak. So as y'all can see, my hair is getting longer. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this was kind of hard to do. So with that being said, I may just do like the rest off camera and I'm gonna come back to y'all. But yeah, I got the curls going on in the front with my little bangs. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done, so I'm out.
So I literally have one left, and it's so cute. Y'all, I started at like 11, I think, and it's now 3. It's now 3:03, y'all. This is how it looks. Side, back, right. Yeah, y'all see it. And then the front. I don't know yet. I may take these out so that they can curl or like be curly. I may take them out in like 2 days or whatever, but I don't know. We'll just have to wait till the end of the video. But we're close to the end. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Y'all, at first I thought it was gonna be like ugly, but let me tell you, trust the process. Like, that is a real thing. Trust the freaking process, because it was I was getting a bit down. And I'm not gonna lie, surprisingly, like the front was harder than like the back. I don't know, like my front, I feel like it's more over this way than like centered how I want it. But yeah, so I'm gonna blow dry my hair, blow dry these curls, and yeah. Let me see how it looks now. I feel like, let me see how mine goes. I think it looks good, to be honest. I wish I had this like more centered up, where it don't look like it's like a gap. I mean, it don't really look like a gap. Not kind of like a gap. But and I wish I put this like more up, because I don't want to whip my hair or anything like that. So I should have put the last two a bit up. Yeah. Well, I mean, we know for next time. But yeah, this is my first time doing this. First attempt. I think I did good. I think I really did good. It's just that I need to move like the last two. I should have moved them like further up a little bit so it can look like an actual mohawk. I mean, it does, but it just, I don't like the gaps. Like, I don't like how like this is right here and there's a little space right here, and it barely has space right here between them right here. But it's cute. I recommend it. This is a cute style. Very, very cute. I need to actually brush like the back of my hair. Make sure I don't have no BBs. But yeah, and today is Easter. I don't have anything planned for Easter, to be honest. So I really did this because I needed my hair done. But I'm not gonna sit there and get it professionally done at this time. So yeah, I didn't mention this, but this was not a tutorial. This was just me attempting a new look. So yeah, but yeah, I do recommend it. I need to tighten these two. I don't think they're gonna be as curly as this. I need to tighten these two, but they feel secure. I just hope that they're all like equally curly. Anyways, or like curl the same. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and yeah. Okay, y'all. So this is the final look. It's cute. It's cute. I just wished that this side curled more like this side, but it's cute. And then when it all drops, I'll just try to like do something else with it. But this is how we're looking. Take my glasses off. Hold on. All right. So it's cute. I like it. Before we end this video off, I'm gonna be getting like different angles. So look at this. Cute. My hair is cute.